Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. This is a Sony TV that has Google TV. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and put the headphones into pairing mode. Now if you look on the side that has the plus and the minus buttons there, we'll know that these are in pairing mode if it's blinking blue, red there, okay? So let me put these in pairing mode. Let me go ahead and turn these headphones off. I'm going to press and hold that plus sign. Just hold it for a few seconds until I get that red light. There it is. Go ahead and let go. Now it's off. Now I'm going to put it in pairing mode, okay? Except I'm going to press and hold the plus button, all right? Ready, set, go. All right, keep holding. Just wait till it starts blinking blue, red. Still holding. Still holding. Okay, there we go. Blue, red. It also says pairing if it was in your ears. So now it's in pairing mode. Now go ahead and shoot over to your Sony TV and go to settings. You can click on the settings button if you have that. If not, just navigate to the settings on your TV. This one here. I'm just going to move over to the right to the gear icon right there. I'm going to go ahead and select that. All settings. That's what I want. Let's select it. On the left pane here, let's go down to remotes and accessories. Right there, remotes and accessories. Let's select that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go and press pair accessory. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. It did find the OpenRuns right there. It's already highlighted, so I'm going to OK it on the remote. We should get a pairing request. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to select on pair. And it looks like it just connected. The lights is turned off. And you can see it says connected down there. So there we go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues putting these in pairing mode or issues connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.